Hey, Dino here. Welcome to GTA GT. Today I want to talk about the 2018-2019 Mustang GT. I want to talk about the engine tick. A lot of people on YouTube with Mustangs are having problems with engine ticks or the typewriter sound. So, does my GT have it? Does my 2019 sound like a typewriter? Let's go find out. Okay, let's go outside and find out if I have an engine tick on my car. Oh my goodness! Look at this. It's November 16th and we already have a lot of snow on the ground. Welcome to the GTA, Toronto, Canada. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. I'll start it up. Cold start the car. And let's see what kind of sounds we get. This is the passenger side. No tick so far. Let's see how many kilometers we got on the car. So this car's got about 4,000 kilometers, which is about 2,500 miles. And it hasn't had an oil change yet. The oil change is happening next week. Next week I'm going to go to Ford. I'm going to get an oil change. And I'm also going to replace the tires. I'm going to swap the tires to my winter tires. Here in Canada, we don't put slicks on our sports cars. We put winter tires on them. So let's go back here. Passenger side, under the car. I'll open the hood. We'll see if we hear anything there. Well, from here the car sounds great. Oh, got a sticker here. 50 sticker. There we go. Nice. I did hear a little bit of a tick, very faint, but that's it. So on the passenger side, under the car, I did hear some ticking here and there, and then it went away as the car warmed up. Comment below, let me know what you think. So like I said, there is a little bit of a typewriter sound going on with my car. It does go away when the car is warm, and I'm not really worried about it because it does go away. It's just on startup for a couple of minutes and then it's gone, and then the car sounds amazing. Of course, if it gets worse, then I'll go to Ford and I'll try to take care of it, but right now it's not a problem. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. And I hope you subscribe to the channel. There'll be more videos coming. And always remember, enjoy your car, but always be safe. Till next time.